Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the secret that dentists are hiding from us. Whitening teeth and eliminates teeth tartar naturally and will get you rid of stained teeth and will whitening your teeth at home with very simple ingredients. You can whiten your teeth and get pearl white teeth with very simple ingredients, my friends. From first use you will notice a great results in your teeth. But before I start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is rice flour, and here I have the rice grinded fine into a powder like so in order to prepare the remedy and to use it. In a clean mixing bowl, add around 1 small teaspoon of rice flour, and then my friends we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, like that, my friends. Then my friends we need to get a shiny enamel. We need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and don't worry, Vaseline won't cause you any problem. It's super effective in getting shiny enamel and it protects the enamel from damage. So add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Now we need to mix the ingredients very well together. Once we end up with this cream paste, our magical remedy is ready. This remedy lasts for a long time, so it's not gonna go bad or anything. You can store it in room temperature and use it twice daily. Dip your toothbrush into the remedy like so and brush your teeth from down to up, from up to down like that, and focus on the stained teeth and the yellow spots in your teeth and the teeth tartar as well. It will fall on its own and you will whitening your teeth naturally. This magical remedy works and it gives an instant results, my friends, yet it's permanent. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.